Welcome everybody to Mama Bear and channel. Right now it is close to 1 a.m. and look, my sister cooked me drunken noodles. I'm gonna try it out and see what it tastes like. But as you can tell, I am not drunk. I just want to eat the drunken noodles. So I'm gonna get started. Can't do it without the white rice. Beef also. It's so delicious. I can't believe she did a very good job cooking this drunken noodles. So good for late night dinner. Or is it breakfast? I don't know. It's just so good. Look, it's empty.
Huh?
Thank you everybody for watching my channel for tonight. Good night. I'll see you next time.